This follow focus is possessed, in a good way. Tilta Nucleus Nano 2 Review Plus Demo Magic. You're mid-shot, everything's perfect, until your focus pull stutters like a dial-up modem from 1998. You squint. You sweat. You pray. Your subject's face is now a soft, blurry potato, and guess what? The client noticed. Don't beat yourself up, it's not your fault. You're juggling shutter speed, ISO, framing, and tracking a moving subject, all while your dear ghost rides the struggle bus. Whether you're flying solo with a gimbal or directing a crew, nothing kills the vibe faster than a flaky follow focus system. Feeling blocked, stuck, creatively stifled? We get it. You're not alone, but you're also not stuck. Let's turn up the panic. You're behind schedule, the talent's impatient, and your motor just won't sync. Sound familiar? The tension. The eye twitches. The passive-aggressive glares. Missed marks become missed deadlines. Missed deadlines become lost clients. And before you know it, you're doom-scrolling Craigslist for non-film jobs. The burnout is real, fam. That creeping dread every time you boot up your rig? That's not just filmmaking, that's your gear betraying you. But here's the secret sauce, it's not you. It's your dusty, overhyped, underpowered kit holding you back. You didn't sign up to babysit your follow focus. So stop doing it. Say hello to the glow up your rig's been begging for. The Tilta Nucleus Nano 2 wireless lens control system. This bad boy isn't just a follow focus, it's a film force multiplier. We're talking 5 times the torque of the OG Nano, ultra crisp real-time lens mapping, buttery smooth wireless control up to 300 feet, and a sexy touchscreen dial that puts every setting right at your fingertips. Adjust ISO, shutter, even frame rate, no menu diving. Whether you're rocking a Ronin, handheld rig, or full cinema build, this thing just works. Flawlessly. Wirelessly. Relentlessly. It's not a tool, it's a co-director. Imagine your next shoot flowing like melted butter on a hot lens barrel. Focus? Nailed. Zoom? Silent and deadly. Aperture? Subtle as a whisper. The Nucleus Nano 2 delivers studio-level control in a palm-sized powerhouse. Multi-motor support, DSLR or cinema compatibility, smart lens calibration, the system thinks like a pro so you can shoot like one. And it's future-proof. Firmware updates, USB-C ports, and Bluetooth mean it's ready to grow with you. Want to know what freedom feels like? It's not a vacation, it's this gear. Don't just watch this, feel it. Tap the link, dig deeper, and see what next-level lens control really looks like. Thousands of filmmakers have already switched and swear by the Tilta Nucleus Nano 2, and they're not looking back. Want clean takes, faster setups, and gear that doesn't self-destruct mid-scene? Then you need to act. Right now. This kit sells out faster than you can say rack focus, and if you're still clinging to outdated tech, you're literally sabotaging your own shots. Trust us, this isn't hype. This is the follow focus system everyone's whispering about on set. Don't be the last DP to upgrade, join the movement. Smash that link, grab your kit, and flex on your next production.